Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Ito, nangangani pa ang proklamasyon ni Pambari 4 as governor ng Cebu. Kahit napakalayo na ang kanyang lamang, more than 1 million votes ang kanya, samantalang si Governor Gwen Garcia is nasa 700,000 lang. At hinihintay na lang ang proklamasyon, isang municipality na lang ang hinihintay na hindi nakatransmit ng result of votes, na I think mga 80,000 votes na lang yun. Hindi na ito makakaapekto sa resulta kasi 300,000 ang lamang. So hinihintay na lang ng proclamation. Ito, may petition ang kampo ni Governor Gwen Garcia, petition sa COMELEC na pinapatigil ang proklamasyon. Ito, may post si Teo Moreno 29 minutes ago. Sabi niya, "Dear Governor Gwen Garcia, please respect the decision of the Cebuanos. I know you refuse to respect the office of the Ombudsman Philippines, but please respect democracy. The people of Cebu has spoken. Talo ka na, tanggapin mo na. Accept the fact that you lost because you turned your back against the Cebuanos and did everything to aslick Bongbong Marcos. Deserve mo yan. Inuna mo kasi ang politika kaysa welfare ng mga taga Cebu." Okay, ito. Inattach ni Teo Moreno ang petisyon kampo ni Governor Gwen Garcia papuntang COMELEC para itigil ang proklamasyon. So basahin ko ito yung petisyon. Republic of the Philippines, Commission on Election, Manila. Gwendolyn F. Garcia, petitioner, versus Pamela S. Baricuatro, respondent. Very urgent motion to suspend proclamation. Petitioner Gwendolyn Garcia by counsel most respectfully states, Number 1, a petition for disqualification was filed against respondent and the same has yet to be resolved by this honorable commission. Under Section 72 of the Omnibus Election Code, cases of disqualification should be prioritized and the final decision of the COMELEC should be rendered not later than 7 days before the election to which the disqualification is sought. Considering that today is the canvassing of the election returns for the 2025 national and local election, petitioner respectfully moves for the suspension of the proclamation of respondent as governor of the province of Cebu. This is in accordance with Section 11 of COMELEC Resolution number 11046. Thus, petition, if unresolved before completion of canvass, effects. If a petition to deny due course to or cancel a certificate of candidacy or disqualification or declaration of nuisance candidate is unresolved by final judgment on the day of election and the grounds therefore are strong, the petitioner may. So medyo mahaba ito. Maraming isinasite na dahilan, Ito na yung prayer. Anong gusto nilang mangyari? Prayer, wherefore premises considered, petitioner Gwendolyn Garcia respectfully prays that the Honorable Commission would order suspending the proclamation of Respondent Pamela S. Baricuatro as Governor of the Province of Cebu pending the petition for disqualification. Petitioner further prays for such other relief. 13 May 2025. Ngayon lang, ano? May 13. Makati City or Manila. Gana Atienza Abisado Law Office Council for Petitioner. Makati City. So, nandito yung mga perma. Ayun. So, ano kaya? Pagbibigyan ba ng COMELEC itong petition para i-stop ang proclamation? Delikado pa. Baka mamaya I don't know. Although may nabasa akong post kanina, kababasa ko lang. By 2 o'clock, sabi doon sa post, anong oras na ngayon? 2:35 na. By 2 o'clock, at hindi pa mai-transmit yung election return sa isang municipality na around 80,000 na lang ang votes doon, na hindi na maka-apekto, ipro-proclaim na ng Provincial Board of Canvassers si Bam Baricuatro as Governor of Cebu. Sana ganun na nga ang mangyari kasi malaking kwan ito sa taga Cebu pag yung boto nila, yung boses nila hindi pakinggan. Okay, magbasa tayo mga comments. Fatima Kanakan, grabe ang yawa, nag-motion kaya pala nabinbin ang proklamasyon. Jackie Paurilio, loser ka, Governor Gwen Garcia, di ka kadawat o kapildihon. Too much desire for power and money, maunay gaba ninyo. Mas mayo pa musayaw na lang kag tsa-tsa. Joe Ganados, naghangyo ba og recount? Hindi naman. William Parnes, halaka, baga, og kubal. Oy, landslide ang kalaban onya di kadawat. Oy, nakay admin pero gipildi ka. Say na nga wanay gusto ang mga tao sa imo. Yes, nasa administration ka, pinuntahan ka pa ng presidente, itinaas pa ang kamay, pang pangulo, nagkampanya pa para sa inyo. Ang tao hindi naniwala sa presidente. Kaya dito lumalabas, wala nang asin ang presidente sa Cebu. Binaliwala nila. So, 2028, dito na. Pundasyon na. Puhunan na po ni BP Sara. Ang bagong governor ng Cebu, sana maging maganda ang palakad niya para ito na ang puhunan ni BP Sara para sa presidential election 2028.